Small leaks and drips shouldn't slow your work or create a mess. Justrite folding utility trays deploy in seconds to catch drips, leaks, and minor spills during maintenance, cleaning, or fluid handling. To set up, simply unfasten the hook and loop strap and unfold the base material. Unfold the side walls to form a right angle. Grasp the inside corner of the remaining walls and gently pull outward. The tray opens instantly and is ready to use in seconds. Make sure the corners are upright and square, and you are ready to go. Compact, rugged, and ready when needed, they help keep workspaces clean and operations running smoothly. When you are done, folding it back up is just as easy. Push one corner diagonally toward the opposite corner so the sidewalls fold in. Continue folding until the sidewalls are flat. Fold the base material toward the sidewalls. Wrap the strap around the folded tray, fasten securely, and it's ready for storage or transport. Easy to store under a vehicle seat, in a spill kit, on a workbench, or in a maintenance cart. They are always within reach when the job calls for it. For more information on Justrite folding utility trays, visit justrite.com.